Have you ever found yourself in a situation where the girl you like is ignoring you? Frustrating, right? It feels like no matter what you do, you can't seem to catch her attention. If you're ready to turn things around and get her to chase you, then this video is for you, bro. In just 9 proven steps backed by psychology, I'm going to teach you exactly what to do when a girl is ignoring you and how to make her want you even more. I highly recommend you follow these steps in the order I give them. If you're serious about uncovering the secret to making a girl chase you, then let's dive in. 1. Don't take it personally. When a girl ignores you, it's easy to take it to heart, feeling rejected or unworthy. But here's the thing. Being ignored doesn't necessarily mean she doesn't like you or that there's something wrong with you. There are many reasons why she could be ignoring you, and it's important not to let it affect your self-esteem. Instead, focus on your own worth and remember that you deserve love and attention. A shift in mindset like this can make a huge difference in how you handle the situation. After all, you're not responsible for someone else's behavior. 2. Cut all contact. Although it might be tempting to keep reaching out to her, constantly trying to get her attention can have the opposite effect. When we feel ignored, our natural instinct is to try harder, but with a girl who's ignoring you, this can come across as needy or desperate. Take a break from all forms of contact, whether it's through social media messages or in-person interactions. This gives her space to miss you, and it allows you to focus on your own life. For example, stop messaging her, and if she reaches out to you, don't respond immediately. Let her wait. The goal is to show her that your time is valuable, and she can't just take it for granted. 3. Keep yourself busy. One of the best ways to show her that you don't need her attention is by staying busy. Focus on your own goals and interests. This not only boosts your confidence, but also shows her that you're independent. Plus, it gives you something interesting to talk about when you do interact with her. Whether it's picking up a new hobby, hanging out with friends, or working on a personal project, keeping yourself busy signals that you have a fulfilling life outside of her. This will make her realize that you don't need her to validate your worth, and that you're a confident and self-sufficient guy who doesn't need anyone to define him. 4. Show her you don't need her attention. One of the most effective ways to make a girl chase you is to show her that you don't need her attention to feel good about yourself. Focus on your own self-esteem and present yourself as confident and independent. This can be as simple as staying calm and not overly emotional when she ignores you. For instance, if she gives you a compliment, don't get overly excited or shower her with praise. Keep your cool, smile casually, and respond calmly. This will show her that you're not dependent on her validation, and she'll likely start thinking about you more often. 5. Show her other girls want you. Here's the thing. When we see someone we're interested in, we often want them more if we think other people want them too. Showing her that other girls are interested in you can make her feel a sense of competition, sparking her curiosity and desire to earn your attention. Be subtle about it, though. You don't want to come off as arrogant or boastful. The goal is to show her that you're desirable, but without pushing it too hard. By doing this, you're creating a challenge for her to win your attention, which will likely make her chase you even more. 6. Show your value. Another way to make a girl chase you is by demonstrating your value. This can be done through your achievements, passions, and unique qualities. When a girl sees that you have a lot to offer and you believe in your own worth, it becomes very attractive. Don't be afraid to talk about your talents, your goals, or what makes you unique. Whether it's in a conversation or just through your actions, showing your value will make her want to be a part of your life. 7. Show her you're happy without her. One of the most powerful ways to make a girl want to chase you is by showing her that you're happy and content without her. People are drawn to those who are satisfied with their own lives, and this makes them want to be a part of that happiness. So instead of sulking or feeling sorry for yourself when she ignores you, focus on the positive aspects of your life. Show that you're happy with who you are and what you're doing, and she'll be more likely to want to join you in your happiness. 8. Build your confidence. Confidence is key when it comes to attracting anyone, including a girl who's ignoring you. When you're confident and believe in your own worth, it makes you much more attractive. If you want to boost your confidence, start by setting small goals for yourself and achieving them. Practice positive self-talk, and most importantly, learn to love yourself. The more confident you are, the more likely she'll find you irresistible, and it'll make her want to chase you when the time is right. 9. Move on if she's still ignoring you. If she continues to ignore you despite your best efforts, it might be time to accept that she's just not interested. It can be hard to let go, but there are plenty of other people out there who will appreciate you for who you are. Don't get stuck in a never-ending cycle of trying to win her attention if it's clear that she's not interested. Respect her decision and move on with grace. Focus on finding someone who truly values you and appreciates your efforts. Remember, there are plenty of fish in the sea, bro. By following these 9 steps, you'll be able to turn the tables and make her chase you. Remember, it all starts with your mindset. The way you think and feel will affect the outcome of your interactions with her. So take these steps to heart and watch as things start to change. The key is not to get discouraged when a girl ignores you. By following these steps, you can make her chase you and get the attention you deserve. Stay confident, bro, and good luck.